And this is a 1948 Ford two-door sedan. It happens to be at Zephyr Hills, but it's not for sale. It's at the car show. This is the Super Deluxe model. Of course, it has the flathead V8. Nice maroon color here. Wide white walls. And radio antenna there, and also a spotlight, which is pretty common at the time. Notice that there's no visible running board. The door overlaps what's left of the running board. Beautiful fabric. It's very original looking, very nicely done. Deluxe steering wheel. And there you see the instrument cluster, the radio and the clock, both sides of the radio grill. And you notice the welting that exists between the fender and the rest of the body, which made replacing body panels pretty easy. Big back window. In these two-door sedans, two-door was spelled T-U-D-O-R, and four-door was F-O-R-D-O-R. So they were pretty inventive the way they publicized and advertised their cars. You see the big old bath air cleaner there. Very nicely done.